back to another property tour. It's a beautiful day. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. This is our newest listing, brand new, incredible villa in Ferragudo, Estômbar, with stunning views of Ferragudo Harbor and the Mount Montchique, Villa Lagoa. Let me show you around. This newly built estate is close to the coastline, has clear design concepts, great location, providing privacy and ocean views. Nevertheless, you are within close distance to all amenities and services. Just minutes away from the most iconic places in the Algarve, which is the Benagil Cave and the lighthouse. Just 4 minutes away from the beach by car, 50 minutes to the international airports, 3 golf courses nearby, international school, restaurants, small galleries, cafeterias, you name it, everything is in a great proximity, has traditional charm and offers modern living. And look at this weather, it's the middle of November, plus 22 degrees outside. You can still swim in the ocean. Perfect weather, best climate. Now let's talk about the property specification. 1,614 square meters of the plot, 283 square meters of the livable area, plus a lot of outdoor and a lot of optional space. 3 en-suites, 2 optional, 6 bathroom, 7-car garage, 4 level and a huge rooftop terrace. This property is situated on a very quiet street, cul-de-sac, and it is the last property on the street, situated on the hill, and it feels just like an eagle nest. As you enter the property on the ground level, an elevator connects you to the all level up to the rooftop terrace. There are 4 levels in this property, and we are on the 3rd level, and this is where the heart of this villa resonates, right here in this great space, living area of 85 square meters, with a frontal view of the Ferragudo Harbor and the village, and the panoramic view of the Mount Montchique on the other side. And this huge top to ceiling windows bring so much natural lights and unobstructed ocean view. Next to the living area, we are connecting to the dining and the kitchen. And the focal point of the kitchen is this natural stone island facing the ocean. And the kitchen comes fully equipped with the best Miele appliances, lots of storage, and the walk-in pantry behind the kitchen. From this point, through this hallway, you connect with the ensuite bedroom. And the culmination of this floor on this level is that every space comes to this outdoor area outside. Huge terrace, over 200 square meters, facing the ocean, and this fantastic 87 square meters, beautiful, infinity salted, heated swimming pool. The area is secluded from the winds, very private, and the ocean view. We are on level 2, and this is home for the main and the secondary bedroom, both en-suites. The main bedroom offers VIP comfort of luxurious bathroom with a walk-in closet, a mini office, a mini coffee bar, and a huge 65 square meter terrace. Farther on this level, there is an option to put a gym, a wellness and spa center, a double shower, sauna, hammam, 180 square meters of the versatile space to your preference. On the ground level, besides the 7-car garage, there is an option to put cinema, bar, wine center, entertainment center, men's cave. Total of 260 square meters of versatile space to your preference. This villa offers a lovely Algarvian garden with an automatic irrigation system. Everything in this villa is made to perfection and comfortable living to the most exquisite taste. And here we are on the rooftop terrace, the top floor of this villa, 360 degrees with the ocean view and the Mount Monchique. Give me a shout on the phone and I will be happy to show you this property. Please click on the link below, like, subscribe, and there you have it.